back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm Shimere, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I flat iron my natural hair. The hair is looking pretty straight right now, but you guys, look how dirty. It's a mess. Okay, so I took the braids out of my hair a few days ago, and yes, I've been being bad. I did not wash the hair as soon as I took the braids out. Okay, the hair was wavy. I brushed it out, put it in a little top knot, and kept it moving. But since it's a cold and rainy day today, I was like, if I'm stuck inside, I might as well do something to my hair, and I figured you guys might want to see. So yeah, I'm going to wash my hair. I'll show it to you guys all curly and wet. Then blow dry it and flat iron it, and you know, bring you guys with me every step of the way. Okay guys, so I finished washing my hair. I'm just out of the shower. My hair is still wet. But what I wanted to tell you guys is that when I wash my hair, if I'm going to flat iron it, I really don't feel the need to use, like, especially not my expensive like curly hair products, or just anything that's just really specific for your curls. So I use the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Fortifying Shampoo. It looks like this, and the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Fortifying Conditioner. Okay, now this conditioner is really thick, and it has good slip, and you know, it's a vegan formula. It says it's for frizzy, dry, unmanageable hair. So I really find that these two are great for wash days when I'm going to flat iron my hair, because you got some of these curly hair products have your curls popping, like really popping, and I don't want that because I'm just about to blow dry it and flat iron it. So why use products that are going to be super expensive, or you know, on the more pricey side, to wash your hair on a day when you're gonna flat iron it? So both of these products here, I think, if I'm not mistaken, both of them were less than $10, like for the two of them. They were in a little set around the holiday times. So what I'll do is I will link them down below. They came from Walmart, so you guys can see, you know, how inexpensive they are. Another tip I have for when I flat iron my hair is, while I'm washing it in the shower, I only use my wide tooth comb to detangle. Okay, I don't use the Denman brush, I don't use my pattern brush, anything like that when I know I'm going to flat iron my hair, just because, once again, those are things that just work too well and have my curls popping. So if I know I'm going to blow dry my hair and I want it to be as straight as it can be when I blow dry it, and I'm going to turn around and flat iron it, in my mind I just don't see why I would need to use a brush that's gonna clump my curls up. Okay, I don't want them to be clumped. I want them to be as loose as they possibly can be, so that it makes the process easier as far as blow drying and flat ironing. Those are just my tips. Okay, so with that being said, oh look, the water just flinging. Okay, so with that being said, I'm going to start the blow drying process. Oh, and one more thing. So in my last video, well, not my last video, but my last hair video, I will link it up above, I used the Revlon blow dryer brush, and you guys, I loved it. It was so easy to use. But today I'm gonna have to use a regular blow dryer and comb or brush to blow dry my hair, because I liked it so much I decided to let my niece use it, and yeah, she still has it. Now I don't have it to do my hair today, but that's okay. I know how to get the job done with the regular blow dryer as well. So let's get into blow drying this hair. Okay, so I'm about to start blow drying my hair. I have it only in 3 sections right now, but I just wanted to show you guys, this is what I use for flat ironing my hair. Well, I actually put this on to blow dry. That's the only product that I use when I'm going to flat iron my hair. So I use this Chi Iron Guard heat protectant, and I spray it on before I blow dry, because I just feel like if I spray it on as I'm flat ironing my hair, as soon as I put any type of product that has moisture on my hair, it's like gonna be harder to flat iron, and it's just not gonna be as straight as I want it to be. So on the first day of flat ironing, this is all I'm using. Okay, I'm not putting any extra any other extra products on my hair, and I'm not putting it on there when I'm about to flat iron, only before I blow dry. So I put a good amount of it on there before I blow dry. That way I know my hair is fully protected from the heat from the blow dryer, and it's going to be protected from the heat from the flat iron as well. Okay, you guys, so I'm done blow drying. The blow drying actually didn't take that long. I feel like when I spray that Iron Guard heat protection on my hair, I don't know, it feels like it makes it dry like way faster. So yeah, and I know the hair looks dry. It definitely looks dry, but when you flat iron it, it's gonna be right, okay? So, okay, usually I use this flat iron. Right here, it's a GVP. I got this from Sally Beauty Supply like a few years ago. Like, this is usually my go-to flat iron. It goes up to 450 degrees. I usually use that one, but I got this flat iron as a gift a while back and I haven't used it, so this is what it looks like. It's a 1-inch ceramic flat iron. So I'm like, you know what, when you get gifts, like, use them, okay? Because I got this like quite a while ago and this is my first time taking it out of the box, okay? So it comes with a little product guide here, and oh, this is cute. Okay, look, this little glove. I think this, wait, is this like so that I don't burn myself or something? Like, let me see what this glove is about, okay? Let's see. Yes, a heat resistant protective glove, you guys. Okay, now see that right there? I should have been opened this gift, okay? That's why you need to open your gifts and use the stuff that people get you, okay? So, yes, this one, it looks a little different. This one's black on the inside, okay? And this one goes up to 450 degrees as well. The little knob in here looks a little different. It goes from 140 degrees to 450 degrees. I don't know how much I would use the glove for flat ironing, but you guys, when I wine curl my hair, like sometimes I do it, not that often, but when I do, oh my gosh, the wine curler will like burn the heck out your fingers. So, okay, glove. Okay, heat resistant glove, okay. Anyway, let's get started because I'm getting hot. So, I need to get this show on the road. Okay, one thing I will say about this flat iron, you guys, is at first I was like, what is going on? The button that shows you that it's on is so small. Like, I didn't even see that at first. I was like, does this thing not have a light to tell me that it's on? But yeah, it's there. It's just very small, okay? So watch your fingers, make sure that like when you have this plugged up, you just assume that it's on at all times, okay? Okay, so we're about to get started, and like I said, I don't put any other products on my hair before I start flat ironing it. So I know a lot of you guys are like a one pass with the flat iron type of people. Me and my hair, my hair is like, no, you're not gonna do one pass, okay? I'm not gonna get flat enough for you if you only do one pass. So what I usually do is do one pass just by itself and then get the comb and do the chase method for another pass, and then sometimes I might do a third one. So it really just depends on what it's looking like, okay? Because I mean, at the end of the day, I sprayed a good amount of heat protectant on it before I blow dried it. So for me, this usually works. Now, you have to go on your hair and what you know is going to work for your hair and what you think your hair can handle. So that would be my tip, okay? So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do it one time. Okay, one time. And see, that's not bad, but like, look at this. You see this? Like, I need this to be straighter than that, okay? So one time without the comb, and then I'm just going to chase it. I am done. I decided to put like a little bend in it, so I curled it just a little bit with the flat iron. And you guys, I'm loving it. Look how silky and flowy the hair is by not putting a ton of product in it. So yeah, this is what it's looking like. Looks good to me. I'm gonna turn so you guys can see the back. Yeah. So that's what we're looking like. And one thing I will say is that usually by the time we get to day 2 or day 3, you know, depending on what I have going on, if my hair starts to look a little too dry or anything like that, or like too many flyaways, I will use this Chi Silk Infusion. It's like a little oil. I put a little bit on my hands and just kind of rub just a little bit through there so that it doesn't get too oily. But that way, you know, once it starts to get a little dry, it'll give it a little extra shine and all of that. So yeah, you guys, I love it. I love how it turned out, and I'm not going anywhere, so it's gonna stay like this. I'm not worried about doing like anything to my edges or anything like that tonight. But yeah, that's it. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys only use one product for your flat iron routine. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.